Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to discuss about how to use the post method in HTTP action in integration procedure. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So in the last session I have shown how to use this get method in the HTTP action of integration procedure, and I have used this category list endpoint to fetch the category list details, and we are getting this output as the category list. And I'll be showing today how to use a post method uh, in the HTTP action. So to show that, I will be just deactivating this element, and I will drag and drop a new HTTP action. We can clone this element by clicking on this icon as well, but I've just added a new HTTP action. So HTTP action post, I'll provide the name as, and I'll be using this URL, like this endpoint, to add a new product. So let me copy this URL, and basically this damagation means in the while executing this post request, so this product details will not be added to the server directly, so it will just provide a mock response as the product got created, and it will provide like some sort of product ID. So this would be the response. So let me use the endpoint, and in the HTTP method we need to provide the HTTP method as post, and we have no headers, but we have one header, sorry, we have one headers content type we need to pass. So I'll be just adding this content type as application/session. So this is how we can add any headers, and we need to pass this title as a body, and this checkbox needs to be there, send body, and we are good to go. And I'm just adding this response section. In the response section I can just copy this HTTP action element name and can put it into the send JSON path, and let me preview. And in the key value pair I can pass this title and like XYZ product, and let me execute. And we can see that this ID is product got created and it's showing a dummy ID like 195. And since another in the additional output section this is still there, that is why that category list was showing. Let me preview once again. So this was there in the additional output, so let me execute. Yeah, it's only showing this created product, so we are getting this response as it is. And this is how we can just use HTTP actions to create a new record in the external systems. So please stay tuned, I'll be adding more tutorials on these Omnistudio topics as well as Salesforce. So please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.